I think we just discovered why the Minister of Health has done so badly with dengue and now COVID. Perhaps some marketing of, well, let's not go there. But you directed in your...
If the PNP could build a country the way you build a story, you'd actually make a good government.
Well,
unfortunately, you can't.
People, welcome back to Yard and Abroad TV. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, like, comment, share, and subscribe. As I said, if you're not familiar with this channel, we talk about issues in Jamaica, the Caribbean, and the whole world, people. So wagwan people, wagwan, welcome back to my channel. Once again, I want to thank you guys for subscribing, liking and commenting on my videos. As usual, I appreciate each and every one of you. So people, remember now, as I was saying, the politician them will be a dub plate them a kick out and them not giving nothing with substance. They not tell me what go on for Jamaica. They not tell me what them a go do for Jamaicans. You see me people are with there, I mean I wonder what the debate there? Like, how many hear nobody talk about the debate? So finally, they did have a debate last night. And people, I don't know what to make of that debate. It was, people, it was just petty and one bag of comedy skits up there. I'm not gonna lie, people. But check out some of the scenes.
The fact is that the PNP is great at telling the Jamaica people what they think they want to hear.
I think we just discovered why the Minister of Health has done so badly with dengue and now COVID. Perhaps some marketing of, well, let's not go there. But you direct...
Like, these people are mostly comedians. Because that's all me get from this debate, people. I'm not gonna lie. People is like, JLP has a strong leader, and to me, them have a weak team. And the PNP has a strong team and supposedly like a weak leader. That's what I get from this. Because me personally, I think the PNP, they did a good job. Them did a better job than what the JLP came with. So that's how me view that part of it. PNP, good team. You know, the people MP who them have assigned to certain places, certain areas, you know, them have a good team, but a weak leader. JLP on the other hand have a strong leader, but to me a weak team. Comment, people leave some comments, let me know what you think about it. Cause that's what I got from this little debate and the shots that was thrown out. It look like people want to tell people about their mother and people like the pettiness where did that go on in that debate there is not even funny, people. Me not gonna lie. People, if you disagree with me, let me know in the comment section. That is my opinion, people. You know, can't tell me about my opinion. That's what I saw from watching the debate. You see me? JLP sound like them did a stutter too much, people. Like them never did a make valid points. You see me? These are them things down pat is like them was prepared for this. The JLP need to go do some more work, some homework. They need to do the homework. And as I said, that is my opinion. You know, not beat me, you know, not kill me. Let me know in the comment section when you think. And people, what I also got from this, especially when I went on social media this morning, people, is like, I don't know if Jamaicans really care about the matter at hand or what them say them are going to do for Jamaica. Because most people, you know, as me say in previous videos, people, like, you will have this one person who, because them born a PNP or them born a JLP, no matter if that particular party that them associate themselves with, no matter how bad that party is doing, you know, them will never go against it, even though for them party is doing bad. They will never go against it and say, yeah, let me support JLP, let me support PNP, let me support the party that is doing the right thing. So sometimes you really wonder if them really are do Jamaican justice. And people, so one thing that actually like stick out to me the most in this debate, when PNP candidate for Northwest St. Ann, Dr. Dayton Campbell, said this.
Mental illness is no joke. It is a serious thing. The fact that 4 out of every 10 Jamaican is affected speaks to the fact that even in this very room, there are persons who are affected. Certainly not over on this side.
Now think about it, people. For a doctor to be saying that, I know, my opinion was very distasteful because a lot of people suffer from mental illness, and especially in Jamaica, you know what them call them say them a madman. Them call them people madman in Jamaica. Them suffering, them have mental issues, and Jamaicans say, yeah, a madman, I'm a madman. And for him to say that, people, I don't know. When I take from it, most people I say it was distasteful, as I would say it. Others I say them not see nothing wrong with it, we are sensitive to certain things. People, there's a time and place for everything. And a dolly house thing we are do. This is a debate. And if you're gonna talk about mental health, if you're gonna talk about mental illness, talk about it the right way. Not bring who you have a debate with, not bring them into this, cause I don't know, people, it just never sit right with me. So a news report from Nationwide News says PNP candidate for Northwest Centre and Dr. Dayton Campbell is coming in for more criticism following a comment he made about mental health during the national pre-election debate last night. Consultant psychiatrist and government senator Dr. Safir Longmore, she was taken aback and significantly disappointed that Dr. Campbell made a disparaging comment regarding mental illness. You see me as a people are beating bad pan Twitter too. People are beating bad pan social media. It just wasn't the place and time for that type of comment, if you know what I mean, people. So let me know when you think about the debate, people. Drop some comments. Let me know. Start a conversation about this debate, and when you see what y'all take from it. Let me know, people. Leave it in the comment section. So also, people, 2020, you know, is a year when me know say nobody no one remember. Like me I tell you, when you're gray and old and you talk to your grandkids and your great grandkids, and you tell them about 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019, 2021. You see me as a people, like 2020, you don't even want to mention. So people, the other day, it was some heavy downpours in Jamaica. There was a bunch of rain fall at Jamaica because of tropical storm Laura. And now, we had an earthquake this morning, people. We had an earthquake this morning, people. And it was a 4.5 earthquake, which was reportedly felt across the island about 7:30 this morning. Twitter exploded with memes and comments a few minutes after, with thousands of reports of the tremor. Checks with the earthquake unit of the University of the West Indies confirmed the earthquake. They said we are currently measuring the strength of the earthquake. We will have more information later. The tremor was felt in Kingston, St. Andrews, St. Mary, Portland, Clarendon, St. Catherine, and St. Elizabeth. It was a third aftershock to rattle parts of the island following January's huge 7.7 earthquake that was felt far beyond the country's shore. So yeah, people, it was a earthquake this morning, and thank God there was not any significant damage and nobody was hurt. Not that I heard of. And we just have to wake up a morning time and give God praise so we live to see another day, because if it's not one thing, it's something else. You see me, people? So you have to give thanks no matter what, good or bad. Yeah, people, so let me know in the comment section where you was when you felt the tremors, people, and I hope everybody is okay. You see me, people? Bless up and big up in yourself.